Who's a good girl? Glad to see you're happy. Oops. Sit! Oh, okay, we're just ready. Land ho, honey! Good girl. Dun, 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 dun. Start again. That's the inappropriate theme. Dun, 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 dun. Go, honey, go. Me? Designated Holly Island. Who's a good girl? We see the holly in her natural habitat. Lisa's got you in the river right. With her prize toy, which apparently I should be throwing amongst the downed trees that are mowed down by the beavers slowly terraforming the lands. Next beach. Uh-oh. Hot peppers. I don't think she likes us. Probably has a baby. I don't know, Mommy's not happy. Back to the woods. Lucky spot. We're almost there. Just up the hill and then we get to the bank. Oh, such a pretty lady. She sits. Ready? Okay. Here she goes. Good girl. Hey, buddy. You have a home close by? I see you got your tail in defense. Maybe we'll be leaving you alone. Yeah. You're a cow. On it. What you doing? It's okay. It's okay, Holly. Yeah, he does not like us. I beg, what are you, a big beaver? It's okay, I know. There's a stretch over there, there's some beach. I think we'll probably go over there and leave everybody alone. I'd be lying if I kind of wanted to see you splash. You seem really pissed off. Damn. I know. There's somebody else in the water, that's his home. I don't think you want to swim with him. I don't think he'll play very nice. Oh, there we go! Yeah, he wants us to leave. I can't hold my phone for 2 minutes without you freaking out. Jeez. I'm sorry. See what I live with, people. So impatient. Hard to capture any footage of this rare creature. Did you get water in your ear? You had to wait a whole 2 minutes. Oh no, honey. Gonna sit? Sit. Come on, be a good girl, sit. Ready? Up. Good girl. Hey, sweet pea. Ah! Good swim? Ready to go again? Yeah. Jump. Jump. Let's go, Holly. Look at this. Well, you should probably leave them. Shall we go get treats? Let's have fun. Speedy on the Holly. Wanna go that way? I don't know where this way is, but okay. Oh, never mind. Holly actually knew the path. I did not. Who's a good girl? Who's my sweet pea? You just do that sit still for pictures. I would like to get something other than your butt. Hey? You gonna show your pretty face? Hi! Farewell, froggy friend. Yeah, I know good idea to come back over. Stay over on the other side. Brad, yeah. Well, of course mine's going to the bathroom. I left town with one dog. Now I'm coming back with two, I guess.
And weigh around 30 to 40 kilos, and a female German Shepherd is around about...
Hey, sweet pea. Did it head back? Okay. Oh, good catch. Good job, Holly. You everything back? Maybe? Nah, you're coming this way. Real good. Oh, jeez. Yeah, okay. Yeah, he's a messy guy. I'll give you some extra treats on this, dude. Hi. You gonna hold still? No? Your food better, friend, huh? Oh, God. Hey, yeah, okay. I can tell you're really into the liver treats. You never had one of those before, huh? Hey, you don't need to be jealous. No, you don't need to be jealous. I know, honey. Hey, Ruger. Hi, buddy. Are you hungry? Don't tell me you're sitting still for me. Yeah, here you go. A ravenous Ruger. Oh, jeez. I was warned he was a bit of a savage over his food. Hey, sweetie. Ah! Yeah. Well, may have bitten off more than we could chew here, little guy. Well, I've tried a few photos, but I think he's quite happy already. Get a bone the size of him. Yeah, who's a good boy. God, he is such a little food goblin. We just had feed time. But he has to make sure he got every bit. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Ah! Oh, he wins. Oh, boy. Okay. I don't even get to get coffee this morning. Oh, dear. Oh, hello, Miss Holly Girl. And Mr. Ruby. Hi. Yes, we should go outside for a pee-pee break. Oh, jeez. Yes, hi. Oh, I know. Well, Holly Girl. I know you've seen this before. But this is the Woogie's first time. Are you ready, Mr. Woogie? To see the great white outdoors? What's this? What's that stuff? What's that stuff, huh? Is that snow? What's that stuff, Woogie? What's this stuff? What's this stuff? Hmm? What is this? That's a good boy. Hey? Oh. You like this stuff, huh? Does it taste good? Ooh. Is that snow? What's this stuff? It's just a cute snow. Scrub it up, dub. A Roogie in a tub. I don't think he's very happy, sweetie. It's okay, buddy. You stink. Oh, yes, Roogie. You can get out in a bit. But you're no longer a stinky puppy. Yes. You smell all pretty. Little blueberry. Hi, sweetie. Your turn. Oh, Roogie. Do we all feel fresh and clean? Is he a squeaky clean puppy? Oh, yes, he is a squeaky clean. He's just a handsome little boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Hey? No, Roogie. He's a good boy. Hey, Roogie. Having fun? Yeah? Trailblazers. Taka the Woogie. Hey, Suki. No. What you got there? Is that a stick? Is that a stick? Oh, yeah. Oh, good boy. Is that a stick? Yeah. Hey, you wanna grab it? Good girl. Oh, who's gonna get the stick? Who's gonna get this stick? Oh, yeah. Good boy. He is a never-ending ball of energy. Ha! My ducky now. Oh no! You have destroyed my house, you. Oh, Jesus. Well, you can see there's duck guts literally all over the floor, and now we're chewing on its foot. Is that yours? Yeah. Take your prize. Ugh. Is that your prize? Such a little brat. I think it's cute. Hey. Yeah, and ducky status update. It now has no feet. Oh dear. The Roogie. He has a weapon. Ah! Oh no. Oh. Hey. This toy was like the least favorite. Now it's somebody's favorite. Thankfully. Hey. Oh no! Oh dear. Jealous. Here, you got that in. Come on. No? Okay. Tenacious Woogie. He's gonna come swinging with his battering ram. Oh no! And there's still duck guts all over the floor from last time. Okay. I know, we love the water and you're impatient. Where's your good old girl? Chill at the beach. Yeah. River rat with her toy. Good girl. Yes, I know, sweetie. Who's a good girl? Oh, sounds right back. The Saskatchewan river rat. Say no, but you can do it this time. Where's your good girl?